There are just two watches in the Galaxy Watch 6 lineup, the Watch 6 and the Watch 6 Classic, and they were recently released at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event. How important are these advancements over the Galaxy Watch 5 from last year, as the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is the Watch 5 Pro's replacement? These new smartwatches have brighter displays, faster processors, more memory, and a sleeker design. They also run on a newer version of the operating system. There has only ever been one Watch 5 Pro model, and at 45mm it was larger than any Watch 5 variant. Samsung's newest wristwatch features a sleeker design with a 20% bigger Super AMOLED screen and a 30% slimmer bezel. The Galaxy Watch 6 boasts a brighter screen that is useful in outdoor settings, with a 2000 nits peak brightness and automatic brightness for always-on display mode. A sapphire crystal glass shields the displays of both smartwatches so that objects may be readily seen even in direct sunlight. Both smartwatches feature an IP68 certification for dust and water resistance, as well as a drop-in shock-resistant design that complies with military standards. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is powered with a more recent Exynos W930 CPU, which runs at a faster clock speed and should use less power. The watch now has 2 GB of RAM and runs the more recent Wear OS 4. Wearable applications aren't very resource-intensive, but they ought to feel a little more snappy here than they would on the Watch 5 Pro. Both watches feature 16 GB of internal storage, which is more than enough for a few music playlists or apps purchased from the Google Play Store. On paper, the Watch 5 Pro seems to have the advantage when it comes to battery life. Its large 590 mAh battery outperforms the 425 mAh unit in the 47mm watch by a significant margin and is almost twice as powerful as the 300 mAh one in the 43mm watch. With the always-on display turned on, Samsung anticipates the Watch 6 Classic to last 30 hours, or 40 hours without. Although it runs the most recent software, the more recent Watch 6 Classic is a stunning wearable. The bigger screen looks great, the quicker internals should make it seem more responsive in everyday usage, and there can resist that revolving bezel, according to Samsung, who claims that an upgrade will ultimately bring the Watch 5 Pro up to speed, but there isn't a timetable for it just yet. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.